Welcome to this series on how to create a temperature converter in the Python programming language. This is day 8 of the series, and we'll be looking at how to make a temperature converter. Now, the temperature converter is all we'll first look at. And so this is it. To convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you use this formula. To convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you use this formula. And to convert from Kelvin to Celsius, you use this formula. So what we're going to do is we're going to open our Python interpreter and create a new script. With that done, we save it. I'll save it on my desktop. So the next thing is to look at the algorithm that we're using. So the first thing I want to do is I want to display a menu of temperature conversions. I want to display a menu of temperature conversions, Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius, Kelvin to Celsius. The next thing I want to do is if the user chooses Celsius to Fahrenheit, I want to ask them to enter a temperature in Celsius, perform the conversion and print out the temperature in Fahrenheit. If the user chooses Fahrenheit to Celsius, I want to ask them to enter a temperature in Fahrenheit, perform the conversion and print out the temperature in Celsius. And if the user chooses Kelvin to Celsius, I want to ask them to enter a temperature in Kelvin, perform the conversion and print out the temperature in Celsius. So to do that, the first thing we're going to do is we'll define a variable called options that says equals to int input so we'll start, we'll say slash n for ma 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 and height. Just copy it because we'll need it everywhere we go. For Fahrenheit to Celsius. Kelvin to Celsius. Please select an option and we're ready to run it. And we save this and run. Nothing happens. When we enter 1, nothing happens. So we need to program for something to happen. So let me put a comment. Now comments in the Python programming language are basically part of your program that are ignored by the interpreter. So let's process it. So we'll say if options equals to 1. So C equals to float please enter the temperature in Celsius. If options equals to 2. Sorry, I made a mistake there. There's a difference between the assignment operator and the equality operator. So this should be temperature underscore F equals to float input please enter temperature in Fahrenheit. If options equals to 3, time underscore K equals to float please enter the temperature Kelvin. Now for the last step is if the user enters anything other than 1, 2, 3, or 4, we'll say invalid input. So we save. So we'll put a comment here. Say process options. Save. Let me do for the failing case first. So let me enter 4. Invalid input. The program ends. So let me enter for any other case. Let me enter for temperature to Celsius to Fahrenheit. So let me enter 1. It says enter the temperature in Celsius. That'll be 100. Nothing happens because we've not programmed it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use functions. So what are functions? Functions are basically reusable blocks of code in our program. So I'm going to come here, Celsius underscore Fahrenheit, and the parameter this function takes is times C, which is temperature in Celsius, times F is equals to times C times 9 divided by 5 plus 32 return times F. So let me do for the next one, def Fahrenheit F times C equals to 2 times 5 divided by 9 return times C and Kelvin to Celsius and let's go K and C equals to 10 K minus return 10 C. So we define our functions. This converts from Celsius to Fahrenheit. This converts from Fahrenheit to Celsius. This converts from Kelvin to Celsius. You could argue I could have done it inside the options, but it's a lot more elegant to do it that way. So I'll say times F equals to Celsius to Fahrenheit times C, then print the temperature in Fahrenheit is. So we round it up. F, 2. So save, run. So say 1, say enter 100, enter 212, which is exactly. So let's see if we can do a conversion back. So since we know that 100 degrees centigrade is 212 Fahrenheit. So we say times C. You know what? Let me just copy this. And I'll make modifications exactly as I want. Times this should no longer be. This should be temp C equals to Fahrenheit to Celsius and F temperature in Celsius is, so you test as you go. So run. This is 2, this is 212, 10. So 100 degrees. So the last one we want to do is temperature in Kelvin. So say temp C is equals to Kelvin to Celsius. Okay, so I believe with that we'll be done. Let me just test it. So set 3 temperature in Kelvin enter 100, 1000, sorry. And with that, we are done. Thank you very much for watching.